Hello, welcome to JoyChinese 乐学中文. This is the section of vocabularies. Today I'm going to introduce numbers. In Chinese, 数字 number. Let's start from 0. 零 Here is the way, it's just a circle. 零 We have two sets for the number in Chinese character. The top line is the simplified one, and the bottom one is a little bit more complicated. We usually don't use it, but you could see it in the bill, in the money bill. So usually we put these numbers and money combined with these Arabic numbers. 零 So Chinese use a different system for the hand gesture for the numbers. Here is 0 is a circle. For 1, the pronunciation is yi. The writing is simple, just one horizontal stretch. Here is a complicated one. As I mentioned, you will see it in the cash, in the bill. And also for the official check, you use these numbers to avoid the mix with the other ones. And this is a hand gesture, is easy. 2, the pronunciation is R. But usually we don't pronounce it as R when we are talking. We say R. It's more like the first tone, not the fourth tone. R. This is a complicated style. Here is the hand gesture. 3. 三 is 3 horizontal stretch with different lengths. This is for the beauty of the handwriting. 三 4 is 四 This is a simple one, complicated one. 五 is 5. 五 So we put 5 finger up to show 5. This part I think is international. All of the countries are similar. So 零 0, 一 1, 二 2, 三 3, 四 4, 5, 五 Number 6, 六 Again, this is a simple one. This is a complicated one. This is a hand gesture. Here, Chinese use different style as the international one. We put the pinky and thumb here. Make it like a 6. Okay, 6. So when the Chinese show you these 2 fingers, it doesn't mean 2. It means 6. 7, 七 8, 八 9, 九 10, 十 So here it has different hand gesture. For example, 7 is these 3 fingers come together like you are picking up something. This is 7. 8 is again 2 fingers, but different with these 2 fingers. This means 8, like you imitate some, like the kids imitate shooting, right? It's 8. And 9, 10, you make a cross, or you hold your fist. Both of these means 10. Okay. 六 6, 七 7, 八 8, 9 9 10 10. So this is a number from 0 to 10. Here comes the 100, 1,000, 10,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. 100, 百 1,000, 千. You see the writing is easy. It's 10 has one this on the top. 千 1 10,000. Different with the American style, we usually use 1,000 as a basic part. You usually say 10,000, 100,000, right? But in Chinese, we use the 1. It's actually 10,000 as base. Then we count up 10,000. So we say 10万. This means 100,000. If you say 百万, it's a million. It's 100 times of 1. Actually, it's 1,000 times of 1,000, right? I wish you understand the difference. In China, we say 100, 1. Okay. When we go 10 million, we say 千万, 10 times million. We use 1 as the base. Okay? So 1,000 times of 1 is 10 million. The next one is E. We call, this means 100 million. E. If you put number in front of E, like 1E, they say EE means 100 million. We say 10E means 10E means 10亿 is 1,000 million. Okay? 1,000 million is a billion, right? So 10亿 means billion. Here we combine the numbers to more digits. We learned 10 is like this, 10, right? We just simply add 1 after 10. It will be 11. So add a 1 after 10 is 11. Exactly same like the Arabic way. So there's nothing change. You just simply add. For example, 12, you put a 2 behind 10 is 12. And the same for the rest of the numbers. Until 19, you put a 9 after 10 is 19. Then you go 20. So 20, you put 2 in front of 10 is 210. This is 20. We pronounce 20. The pronunciation has no change. It's totally the same. And for 21, we pronounce 21, means 20 plus a 1. 21, you just pronounce. And then it's going to be the same until 29. Here is the same style for 30. It's going to be put a 3 in front of 10. You pronounce 30. There's no change. The pronunciation is totally the same as its individual. When you go to 90, you put a 9 in front of 10. It's 90. 90. And everything is going to be the same. Until 100, we say 百. We learn in here. So we put a 1 in front of 百. It's 100. You want to say 200, you say 200. Okay? So here I have 101. We have 101. We learned 0, right? This is a complicated one. You can also just write a circle in here. 101. So if you want to say 110, you say 110 means 110. 110. You want to say 1001 is 1000. 1000 10 0 plus 1. So here is 0. You don't say 001. You don't say 1001. You say 1001. You understand? This is 1000 plus 1. Again, go to 10,000. We say 1001. So means 10,000 plus a 1. And you have 100K plus 1, right? Here you don't say 100,000. In Chinese, we count based on 10,000. 1. We say 10,001. So if you have bigger numbers, you have the same style. Just add up the number together. So what we do when we want to say the first, or number 1, or number 2, we put a new word in front of the number. We say 第. The pronunciation is 第. 第一 means the first one, or number 1, for counting, or for competition. You got a champion, is the first. You say 第一, or you're the second, 第二. You just directly put the number after 第. So 第100 means number 100. Okay, so this is the numbers. If you feel difficulty for the pronunciation, please go back to the playlist for pronunciation. We have about 28 lessons to teach how to pronounce Chinese correctly. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.